we have to start from this activity. You can see in the PDF. What is the aim of the activity? To show that rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Nowadays we use luggage bags and trolley bags and all, which are having wheels. So what are the materials required? A suitcase without rollers and a suitcase with rollers. So in the first case, we put the books on the suitcase in which there are no rollers or wheels, and you have to slide the suitcase from one room to another. And in the second case, you have to again keep the books on the suitcase which is having the rollers, and then roll the suitcase from one room to another. So you can easily try this. Now what we'll conclude? We'll conclude that rolling friction is much less than sliding friction. And that is why when fire and wheel was discovered, it completely changed the life of the human beings. Wheels revolutionized our life. Now, advantages and disadvantages of friction. Friction is called as necessary evil because in some cases it is of advantages to us, and some cases there are disadvantages also. But we cannot survive without friction. That is why it is known as necessary evil. Now we can walk comfortably on the grounds. That is possible due to friction. But if someone throws a banana peel, then we'll slip on that because friction is reduced. There is very less friction. Now, if the surface is polished like a marble floor and when you walk on it and someone spills water, obviously friction will be reduced, or there will be very less friction because it prevents us from walking comfortably. So first point is friction makes walking possible. The vehicles, they move easily on the roads. That is all due to friction. But during rainy season and all, the wheels of the bikes and all, they skid on the roads because the roads are wet and there is less friction. So they cause accidents also. Now we apply brakes in vehicles. That is also, even in a bicycle also, you apply. If someone comes in front of your bicycle, what you do? You automatically apply brakes. So all this is possible due to friction. Now we ride comfortably because of friction. Because there is friction generated between the tip of the pencil and the paper. Not only on paper, even when you write on the blackboard with a chalk, that is all possible due to friction. So these are the advantages of friction. Now next is disadvantage. Now when you use a machine for longer time, for example, take the most common example of a mixer grinder which we use in a kitchen. If you grind spices for 5 to 7 minutes, it becomes very hot and there is loss of energy. Second is friction causes wear and tear. Now the shoes which we wear, the soles and all, the tires of the machines or the tires of the vehicles and all, they get worn out. Worn out means ghisna. So it happens because of rubbing of shoes and wheels with the ground, and that causes wear and tear. So this is the second disadvantage. Now when there is friction between the wheels and the roads, that also leads to wastage of fuel. As an engine not only works to move the vehicle but also applies constant effort. That is why it's said that you should do the tuning of vehicles from time to time. So these were the advantages and disadvantages. Now methods of increasing friction. In some areas we have to increase friction. Now athletes and all, they wear shoes with spikes. Spikes means it's just like needle, especially when they have to do ice skating and all, or they have to do trekking so that they don't fall. Now treads or grooves on tires, they are the markings on the tires. You must have seen the ad of MRF tire. So they are shock proof. So markings are made there so that better grip is there. Now kabaddi players and all, you must have seen they apply dry soil so that to increase friction and they have a better grip on their opponents and they do not Even javelin throwers, they also rub powder on their hands. So in some areas we have to increase friction. Now methods of decreasing friction. Now some areas we have to decrease friction. First is polishing the surface. So we have to polish the we have to polish the surfaces from time to time so that friction is reduced. Lubricants, they are used in machine parts. Different types of lubricants are used, oil, grease and all. Now all of you must have played carom. So what we do before playing carom, we apply talcum powder because it reduces friction. Next is using ball bearings. So ball bearings, they are used in cycles and other machineries and all. So rolling friction is less than sliding friction. Just now we have read. So ball bearings in the wheels help the wheel to roll smoothly over the axle. Now last topic is fluid friction. What is fluid? Liquid and gases is known as. So resistance offered by fluids is known as fluid friction. Fluid friction takes place in the case of liquids as well as gases.